Now, let's move on to simplifying algebraic fractions. Sometimes, fractions with different denominators need to be combined into one fraction. Here are the key steps to do so. Firstly, we'll find the lowest common denominator, also known as the LCD. After that, we will rewrite each fraction with the LCD as the denominator. And lastly, we will combine the numerators. Let us see some examples in the following slides. Let us look at this first example. X over 5 plus x plus 1 over 4. Let us learn to simplify this. Let's recall, so step 1 is to find the lowest common denominator. So the denominators are 5 and 4. Therefore, the lowest common denominator of 5 and 4 is 20. The next step is to rewrite the two fractions such that both fractions have a denominator of 20, which we recall is the lowest common denominator. For the first fraction, x over 5, we'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. Similarly, for the second fraction, we'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. After doing so, we see that both fractions have a denominator of 20. And the last step is to add the numerators. So we will combine the fractions to get 4x plus 5x plus 5 over 20, which can then be simplified to 9x plus 5 over 20. And this is our final answer. The next problem is x over 4 plus x plus 2 over 3. You can try out this question on your own before going through it in the next slides. Let's go through the 3 steps again to simplify this algebraic fraction. Step 1 is to find the lowest common denominator. In this case, the denominators are 4 and 3, and therefore the lowest common denominator is 12. Step 2 is to rewrite both fractions such that the denominator is 12. And the last step is to add the numerators so that we get the final answer 7x plus 8 over 12.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.